Hi and hello, welcome back. Jana here with a new process video for the Hip Kit Club. Today we are playing with the main kit only, and we were asked to use some border punches and to create a monochromatic layout with one accent color. As you can see, my colors are pink and light pink with a touch of red, and the accent color will be yellow. I did some pre-work. I fussy cut out some ornaments from one of the pattern papers, and I used 3 border punches on 3 different papers. Yeah. The picture I'm scrapping shows a big paper star, and that one is always the first thing I bring up. I add to my window just because I love the lights and I love stars, and so I thought it would go with my yellow as a accent color. Yes. I'm working with the November kits, and this is my first layout with them, and it's always very tricky to get a page done because they are full of awesome stuff, and it's hard to pick and choose, and yeah. Here I'm just trying to find the perfect way for my scallop borders for the paper strips, and I decided to add the white on top and then add the other colors underneath. Then I will go ahead and stitch the papers down to my paper with a black thread, just because there's a lot of black in my picture, and I thought black would work as my stitching. And I really like how this is looking so far. And now I will have a look into the ephemera pieces, and they are all gorgeous. But I am especially looking for ornaments with in my colors I want to use. So a bit of red, a bit of pink. And I found 4 cute little things. One is a Santa head with ho 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 on it, and then 3 different ornaments with some bows on it. And I will also use the little saying with best time of the year. And yeah, I really love how cute all of the things are. Yes, so it's like I said before, it's always hard to pick and choose when you first open the kits, and yeah. Then I will start to arrange my Christmas ornaments, and I will go with a long row of hanging Christmas ornaments from the top. And I also love to decorate my walls like this. I have always a long row of cute elements hanging down from the wall or on my windows, and I really like how this is looking. I also grabbed one of the chipboard stickers, one of the sayings with Happy Holidays, just because I wanted to have something in red on top of my picture. And now I will start to play around with the Christmas ornaments. And yeah, I added some gold splatters at the beginning, but then I realized all of the accents or the metal, the shiny accents are silver in this kit. So I dabbed the rest from the colors off with a paper towel, so you can't really tell it's gold. And I am totally fine with that. This is the way I am going with my ornaments, and I think I will stop at one point and I will start to glue everything down. And I will also add some light yellow thread behind some of them, just for some more texture, some more interest. And I really like how this is looking. Now sticking down the word happy, or the title, the Happy Holidays. And then I thought I could sneak in one of these gorgeous wood veneer Christmas ornaments, but they are kind of huge, and so I will not use any of them, but I really love them. I'm sorry. So now bringing in one of the little presents in yellow, just to balance the yellow from the ornaments to the title. Yeah. And now I'm bringing in a ruler for some journaling lines, and then I will just have another look into the ephemera pieces, just because I wanted to sneak in some more little things. And I will also grab 3 little stars from the chipboard stickers you can see right now. One in blue, one in red, and one in yellow. And then I will grab 3 more little stars, I would call them, from the ephemera pack. They are just black and white, and I really love how they are looking in the mix. Then I will also bring in some of the gorgeous silver sparkling animal dots, and I will just scatter them between the Christmas ornaments. And at the very end, very last end, I will add some black, very thin lines onto my ornaments, so they are looking like they are hanging from the top from my page. And I really love that. But you will see that in the final picture. Yeah. So just gluing down the 3 little paper pieces, and then I will grab the animal dots, and then I am done. It's a very simple page today, but I don't have the feeling I need to add more, just because I really love the white space and I love the colors, and I'm just happy how the layout turned out. And yes, thank you so very much for stopping by today. You will get a close-up and some final pictures. And yeah, I wish you all a great holiday season. And that's it from me today. Thank you and bye-bye.